What you trying to say?
But then what? Only one way to find out.
Hey, look,
That's all I got to say.
But hey, only one, you grown.
I am.
Only one way to find out who can on some real shit. So
I know you ready.
What?
You ain't even got to say nothing else.
I'm talking about that.
Why you ain't saying that?
No,
What wrong with you?
I'm talking about there though. He talking about he can handle you.
That's her water.
What wrong with you?
What you do?
You got stuck.
Missy, don't be making me spill.
You got stuck though. You said, she said, I know you won't. You said.
Because I'm not talking about me.
You talking about him, I know. Keep rib it up, rib it up. Keep rib it up, rib it up, rib it up. Hey, look. Be like yesterday, you talking about you.
Yesterday he was like,
Yesterday he was like what, Bush?
Man, come on.
What was he like?
he knows. He said he knows you.
He know me.
He knows you can't count it.
Louis,
That's what he said.
what you trying to do?
What?
That's all I have. You trying to do something. That's all it is. But I know he ain't said that.
Oh, you gonna flex up like that?
I know you ain't said that. You said that? I know you ain't said that. I know he ain't said
You
that.
know that.
What you ready for? One thing you ready.
Hey, I got on camera. I ain't trying to eat that, but